Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss how to find equation of the tangent to the circle. First I will say the formula, right? The equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1 is xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Again I am going to repeat the equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1 is xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. This is general. Now you should come to the question. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Right. Now what is your g? You want to find what is your g. 2g equal to, you have to relate the general to the given equation. Your given equation is what? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Your general format is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. You are going to compare given to the general. That means 2g equal to minus 4. G is equal to minus 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Next 2f equal to 4. F equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are. See, here we need what is G and what is F. C is a constant. What is your C? C is equal to minus 8. Then the point we want to know what is x1 and y1, that is also given in that minus 2 comma minus 2. That means x1 is replaced by minus 2, y1 is replaced by minus 2. You have to substitute in this equation, then you arrive the result of equation of the tangent to the given circle, right? Substitute minus 2 comma minus 2 and g is equal to minus 2, f equal to 2, c is equal to minus 8 in this one you should represent it as equation number 1, right? In equation number 1. You know all the values, simply you have to go and substitute in 1, you will get the result. X into x1, x1 is replaced by minus 1 plus y into y1, that is also replaced by minus 2. G value you know, that is minus 2. Minus 2 into x plus x1 is minus 2 plus f value is 2. 2 into y plus minus 2. C value is minus 8 equal to 0, right? Now you see minus 2x minus 2y, here minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4, then plus 2y minus into plus minus 2 into 2 4 minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 2y plus 2y cancel. plus 4 minus 4 cancel, then minus 2x both are same sign, you are going to add and put a negative symbol, that is minus 4x, then minus 8 equal to 0. Everything it is multiple of minus 4, you can divide by minus 4, then you get the result as x plus 2 equal to 0 is the required equation of the tangent to the given circle. Tangent to the given circle. See here, determine whether the points P of 1, 0, Q of 2, 1 and R of 2, 3 lie outside the circle, on the circle or inside the circle. Equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. How to say the points is lie on the circle or outside the circle or inside the circle? Using the length of the tangent. First I will tell you what is length of the tangent. Length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 at x1, y1 is square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Once again I am going to repeat, you see, length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 at x1, y1 is square root of, you have to be very careful, you should not put equal to 0 in the square root, right? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to 0. How to say using this whether the point is lie outside or inside or on the circle? See, if PT square, that is length of the tangent, PT square is greater than 0, then the point lie outside the circle. Lie outside the circle. Lie outside the circle. If condition 1, this is condition 2. If PT square is less than 0. PT square is less than 0. Length of the tangent can be represented by PT. That's it, right? PT square less than 0. Then the point lie inside the circle. Lie inside the circle. Third point, if PT square equal to 0, then the point lie on the circle. Lie on the circle. Once again, length of the tangent, using this only we can conclude whether the point is lie on the circle or inside the circle or outside the circle. Length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1 is square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, right. Here this one can be represented as pt. Here square root is there. Without square root I want to say, so that I put pt square. If pt square is greater than 0, that is length of the tangent should be greater than 0, the point lie outside the circle. If it is less than 0, the point lie inside the circle. If it is equal to 0, the point lie on the circle. Using this, we are going to say whether the point lie outside or inside or on the circle. First point is what? P of 1 comma 0, right. First one, the point given as 1 comma 0. That means the x1 should be replaced by 1, y1 should be replaced by 0, right. Now what is your g? G is equal to minus 2. What is your g? G is equal to minus 2. What is your f? F equal to minus 3. You have to relate the given equation to the general. Given equation to the general. Now you see 2g equal to minus 4. G is equal to minus 2. What are the things we need? First we have to find it, right. Next, 2f equal to minus 6, f equal to minus 3. Then c is equal to 9. C is equal to 9. What is our length of the tangent? Square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Now pt square equal to, here I use square, so you remove the square root, that is the meaning, right. pt square equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. We know the value of x1, y1, we know the value of g, f, c, that you are going to substitute. x1, what is your x1? 1. What is your y1? 0. Plus, what is your g? Minus 2. What is your x1? 1. What is your f? F is minus 3. y1 is 0. C value is 9. Now 1 minus 4 minus 6 into 0, 0 plus 9. Then what can you get? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Greater than 0. Greater than 0. Therefore, the point 1 comma 0 lies outside the circle. Lies outside the circle. Again I am going to repeat. You see, pt square equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, right. Length of the tangent. x1 value you know 1, y1 value is 0, g is minus 2, f is minus 3, c is 9. That you substitute, you arrive the result as 6, that is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, the point lie outside the circle. Second one, q2 comma 1, the same format, right. Length of the tangent to the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. At x1 comma y1 is square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, right. Here what is your point? 2 comma 1. That means x1 is 2, y1 is 1. Using the given equation, you know the value of G and F, that you go and substitute in the format, right? Second one, Q of 2 comma 1. This is your x1, y1. From the given equation, we can get the value of G, F and C. Now you see 2G equal to minus 4, G is equal to minus 2. 2F equal to minus 6, F equal to minus 3. C is equal to 9. C is equal to 9. Now PT square equal to, you have to say the formula, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Now you know the value of x1, y1, g, f, c, that you are going to substitute. What is your x1? x1 is 2. So 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 into minus 2 into 2, right? 2, g value is minus 2, your x1 is 2 plus 2 into minus 3 into y1 value is 1, c is 9. Now which is equal to 4. 4 plus 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 8, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 6 into 1, minus 6, plus 9. See here, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Minus 8, minus 6, both are negative, add and put negative symbol, minus 14, which is equal to 0. Now you see PT square equal to 0 means what is the condition I said? The point lie on the circle. The point lie on the circle. Therefore, 2 comma 1 lie on the circle, lies on the circle, right? PT square greater than 0, the first one it shows, so the point lie outside the circle we said. Here PT square equal to 0 we arrived. What is our conclusion? The point lie on the circle. We said one point, we said it lies outside the circle, this lie on the circle, right? What is the condition of 2 comma 3? We are going to check, right? Using the same, once again I am repeating this, length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1 is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2fy1 plus c. You have to be very careful, right? You are going to relate the given equation to the general. If you are relate given equation to the general, we can get the value of g, f and c. I have discussed, right? Here the point is r of 2 comma 3. 2g equal to minus 4. G is equal to minus 2. 2f equal to minus 6. F equal to minus 3. C is equal to 9. This is the point x1 comma y1. Now PT square you are going to calculate, right? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. x1 square, that is 2 square plus 3 the whole square plus 2 into minus 2 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3 into 3 plus 9, right? We know the values of x1, y1, g, f, c. Use that, we replaced all the things. Now we are going to calculate 4 plus 9 minus 8, because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, negative is there, minus, here also negative is there, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, that is minus 18 plus 9, minus 18 plus 9. See, x value is 2, x1 is 2, y1 is 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 9, minus 8, minus 18 plus 9. Here you see plus 9, 18, right? 4 minus 8 minus 18, I put a arrow mark, 9 plus 9 plus 18. So the term has to be vanished. Now positive, negative, do the subtraction and put the greater number symbol, that you know, right? So which is equal to minus 4. That means it is less than 0. Negative number is always less than 0. That concept you know. When you arrived less than 0, what is the conclusion? The point lie inside the circle, right? Therefore, the point 2, 3, where it located? Lie inside the circle. Right, lies inside the circle. Why it lies inside the circle? Because you arrive negative, the negative is less than 0, that's why the point lies outside the circle. First point we said the value is greater than 0, so it lie outside the circle. Here the value is equal to 0, lie on the circle. Here you arrived negative, it is less than 0, therefore the point lie inside the circle. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you children.